Hunter Biden has been indicted by federal prosecutors on 3 counts tied to the possession of a gun while using narcotics. It's a historic indictment against the son of a sitting president. It comes after a plea deal fell apart that might have ended a years-long probe into Hunter Biden. A separate felony gun charge for illegally owning a Colt Cobra 38 special handgun would have been dropped in 2 years if Hunter Biden honored the terms of what is known as a diversion agreement. A deal was close to being done in that case, but the judge had a few more questions that prolonged it.
This is what happens when plea deals blow up. The prosecutor says, okay, you want your plea back? You want to go to trial? Then we're going to indict you.
Republican lawmakers say these gun charges are unsatisfactory, arguing that among the charges Hunter Biden could face, these are the only ones that clearly cannot be tied to the president. If Hunter Biden is convicted, he would face a maximum penalty of 25 years in prison.